This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: the Windows PC IP or hostname and an account with share permissions. On your Mac Open Finder, then choose Go and Connect to Server or press Command-K. This launches the SMB connection dialog. Once there, type SMB / followed by the IP or hostname. You do this so Mac OS uses the SMB protocol that Windows shares commonly use, making the link reliable. Entering the correct path now avoids permission errors later. Once the server address is entered, press Connect and you'll be prompted for authentication. Choose Registered User and enter the Windows account credentials. This ensures you access the share with the right permissions and not as a guest. Make sure the share name matches exactly. Some environments are case-sensitive. If you plan to reconnect often, check the option to save credentials to Keychain so you don't retype them. After successful authentication, the share mounts and appears in Finder's sidebar. With the share mounted, drag it to Finder Favorites for fast access, and make an alias if you need a desktop shortcut. To automate mounting at login, add it to login items or create an automator workflow. This saves time and prevents missed connections. If you run into errors, first confirm the Windows Firewall and SMB settings, verify SMB version compatibility, and recheck credentials. Wrong SMB version or blocked ports are common causes. If needed, restart both machines and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.